Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to wire this type of two-gun switch in easiest way as possible. And before we start, let's take a look at the two-gun switch itself. A two-gun switch is used to control two separate light fixtures in one location. So let's begin. So before we start, let's take a look at the connection terminals of this two-gun switch here. Please, I want you guys to pay attention here because this is where a lot of people make mistake. So when you look here closely, you can see a common terminal here. This is where you connect your live wire. And if you look at this second gang also, you see a common terminal. This is where you connect your live wire to the second gang. This wire here, this is the live wire. This is the live wire from our distribution board. If I touch it here, you can see that this is the live wire. So we are going to connect this our live wire to this common terminal of this first gang here. So I'll go ahead and put it this way. But before I tighten it, I'm going to loop from here to this second common here. So what I'm going to do is that I'll cut a short piece of wire like this to bridge it. So I'm going to put this one here, then from here I'll bridge it to this one. And now we are done. So what we are going to do now is to connect our light. Our first light, we are going to connect our first light to L1 of the first gang. Then our second light will connect it to L1 of the second gang. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's go. Now put the wire to L1 of the first gang. You can see it. Then the second bulb, the second light, we are going to connect it to L1 of the second gang. So I'll connect it here. Goes to L1 of the second gang. And now we are done with the connections. Remember, let's take the recap again. Here is the live wire from our distribution board to common terminal of the first gang. Then from the first gang, the common terminal will loop to common terminal of the second gang. We'll bridge it together so that both gang will receive live wire. Then our first light goes to L1 of the first gang, and our second light goes to L1 of the second gang. So now we are done with the connection, and what we are going to do right now is to test. So I'll go ahead and turn our switch this way. Now you can see this one was on and this second one was on. So thanks so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, please. So thanks.